disasters are on the increase. Our homes are where we look for shelter, but when disaster strikes, we're on the front line.
The average American home, unfortunately, is pretty brittle. It's not designed to be resilient, and that the building code itself is really a minimum. So when people brag about their house being built to code, it's really nothing to brag about.
The codes are meant to keep people safe. And do they keep people safe? I don't think so.
The interest is not on building the best, it's building it affordable first.
If you think your house is safe, think again.
I've been living here 30 years and it wasn't a place that flooded. I have no idea until now. If it's on a floodplain, I have no idea.
Tragically, over 80% of the damages weren't insured. And that now means many of these people are still struggling to figure out how they're going to rebuild their lives without insurance.
I've been a taxpayer basically all my life. I just don't think they offer the assistance that we should have.
It's an unfortunate and embarrassing statistic that it's the poor, the people who can least absorb the losses, are the ones who take the losses.
We can't really afford to be surprised because we know the risks. We know that climate change is playing its part, and we can't claim ignorance and say, oh, sorry, it was the weather. I think that excuse is not acceptable going forward.
We're going to discover how you can make your home safer.
This roof system is actually tied to the walls at the top of the wall there to that top plate. That's absolutely the basis of the fortified, is making sure you get the roof right first.
The typical cost to do it right is about 1% of the cost of a house.
If consumers demand better, stronger, safer homes, they will get stronger, safer homes.
Is your home built to last?